YouTube fam, I'm back again today with another recipe video. This was requested by Rashid Mal, so both hope you enjoy. And it is a vegetable curry, the classic Aloo Matar Gajar, which means potatoes, carrots and peas in Urdu. We have some more bonuses for you today as well, so hope you enjoy. And if you're not part of my YouTube family yet, you're very welcome to be, as always. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the bell sign too, so you can get more notifications every time a video is out. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big like. If you have a request of your own, don't forget to comment below and let me know. As long as it's vegan friendly, I'll make sure I make it happen. Without further ado, let's get on with it. So I have some rice cooking on the side there. This is best served with rice or hot chapatis if you're up to it. And I didn't add any salt to this because there'll be plenty of salt in the curry, so it's a good way to balance it out. So I'm using a deep pan like this one, and I've got it on medium heat. So go ahead and add your tomatoes. And the recipe is fully written in the video description, so for the exact measurements and just what you need, do make sure you check it out. Next, what you want to do is add about 4 tablespoons of water, because we'll be adding our garlic very shortly, and this helps the garlic cook nicely. Otherwise, your dish will be smelling of raw garlic the whole time. So this helps it cook nicely. I've just got it finely chopped here, and I'm adding it to our dish. So go ahead and allow that to cook for about 2 minutes. You can cover it up and come back to it. Next, you want to add your salt to taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, but you can use any you like. I'm using about half a teaspoon. You can add it to taste. Last time in the recipe video, I didn't use any salt or oil at all. So that was something we did over Lent, a SOS free diet, salt, oil, sugar free diet, and it was great. So yeah, highly recommend that if that's something you'd like to try. So next we want to add our spices. So I'm starting off with some turmeric. And if you watched the last video, you may remember that I mentioned how it's important to add some black pepper with your turmeric, as that helps the Cumin in it to basically be sufficiently released into the bloodstream. Next, I'm adding some chili powder. This is to taste, guys. If you like your curries hot, add more. If you don't like your curries hot, feel free to not even add any. And then next, I'm adding some curry powder. Love some curry powder. It really is a great mixture of spices that go together to give you a fabulous taste. And of course, they all have the brilliant Ayurvedic benefits as well. Next, we're putting in some cumin powder. And once you've done the cumin, go ahead and put some coriander powder. So since I'm using frozen vegetables, which I have of course defrosted, I went ahead and boiled my potatoes earlier on. So these have been boiled. They're about 8 medium-sized potatoes, and it's about a 200-gram packet of vegetables. So I just peel these and I chop them into about 8, and I chop them to this size. Okay, next what you want to do vegetables. So speaking of bonuses, this doesn't just have the aloo, matar and gajar, the carrots and the green peas, but it also has some sweet corn and green beans, which is fantastic because when it comes to fruits and vegetables, the greater the diversity we can get in, the better it is for our gut microbiome, and the healthier our gut microbiome, the healthier we are. Go ahead and stir that in nicely. We want to make sure that all the spices mix in well and we get the flavour going in deep into the vegetables. Once you've given that a nice mix, go ahead and cover it up for 5 minutes. Feel free to just leave it slightly open so you get some steam coming out, helping the cooking process. And we can check back in 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's check in on our curry. Looking gorgeous. Look at those beautiful colours. Wonderful stuff. So next we're going to add our Qasoori meithi, dried fenugreek leaves. In English, these have so many health benefits and they just add such a beautiful aroma to the curry. I'll let you in on a little tip. If you crush it nicely in your hands, that really helps getting that aroma and flavour out. Now we want to add our Garam masala. I speak very highly about Garam masala. I think it's great. It's made of 7 different spices and it just adds such a beautiful aroma and flavour to any curry. It's best added in the end so that it leaves that beautiful smell behind. Go ahead and stir that in. Next we want to fry our onions for our lovely finishing touch. I'm using 1 medium-sized onion and so I've got about 2 tablespoons of oil there. I like olive oil, also rapeseed oil, but feel free to use any oil you like. So go ahead and add in your onions. And we just want to make sure they are a lovely golden brown. So make sure you look after them well. So when our onions are almost there, go ahead and add in some green chillies. This just adds such a beautiful aroma and it also helps take the heat off the chillies a little bit too. Great, so let's go ahead and add in our onions and chillies to our dish. Fabulous. Now, a lot of folks add the ginger with the garlic at the beginning. I prefer to add the ginger at the end as I love the aroma it leaves and it's really good for digestive health as well. So it's entirely up to yourself. If you want to add it in with the garlic, you can do so. You can add it in towards the end like this. Make sure you stir it in nicely. Get it evenly spread. And then go ahead and add in your fresh coriander at the very end. I love this finishing touch. I love also adding some fresh lemon juice at the end because again it just gives a beautiful flavour and it has so many health benefits. Gorgeous smell. So I added in 1 tin of chopped tomato, therefore I would recommend about 1/8 of a lemon for that. But if you use less tomato, go ahead and add more lemon to taste. Okay, and that's our dish done. So let's go ahead and serve it up. So we have plated our dish up. Ta-da! This smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell this. I'm so excited to eat it and enjoy it now. Let's have a quick taste. This is so delicious. You have to try it and comment below to let me know how it went. Until next time, goodbye.